So you want to create your own solos even though you are just a beginner yet? Well, I can help you with that, because I'm Ben Gabriels and I will show you how to rock. What's more, I will give you 5+1 tip how you can make your own solo even with a beginner skill set. But before that, a quick disclaimer: I won't show you licks or scales, guys. I will speak about structure and tips how you can make your own solo better. Okay, so before we do anything, you will need at least the pentatonic scale, a little bit of the minor scale, and some cool licks that are easy and you can play to your solo. The first one is the backing track, probably the most important one. You should really listen carefully and try to analyze it. What's your key? What's your tempo? You should go with something simple, for example, power chords. Power chords are great. They are not major nor minor, so you can basically play whatever you want. Of course, my backing track is available down at the description of the video if you want to download it. The second one is the tools. You have two powerful and underused weapons what you can use to make your solo more alive: the bending and the vibrato. A good bending can make your solo more alive, while a good vibrato is something similar but with individual notes. For example, I like to start my solos with a good bending, while if I stop in a certain note what I feel important, then I just use some tasty vibrato on it. Of course, you should not overdo them, but they will make your solo sound more professional. The third one is easy. Listen to your favorite music. I know it sounds silly, but listen to the music what you like, or has a certain vibe what you want to recreate. Even though if you don't know how to play them or can't learn them by ear, they will help you to consume and reproduce the same feeling what you want to recreate in your solo. The fourth is practice. You should practice your skills, you should practice your licks, but you should also do something what I call creative practice. Which means that you need to learn how to use those skills and licks what you just learned. Just play with some backing track, play your skills and licks what you just learned, and every time you play them differently. You need to create something new from it. Force yourself to make something new out from the existing lick. When you finish with your practice session, you will have millions and millions of licks ready to use in a solo. The fifth is pre-stored ideas. There is no shame in having pre-stored ideas, in having a box what you can grab. The thing is that you should not Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V everything. You should make sure that it's fit in your solo. You should morph it if you have to. Okay. 5+1 is basically enjoy your music. You should not let yourself forced into anything. You should not let yourself forced into styles what you don't like. You should not write songs what you don't like. You should not write solos that you don't like. If you like metal, then go write some metal stuff. If you like jazz, well, maybe this channel is not the best for you. I'm too dumb for jazz. But then play jazz, I don't care. Do whatever you like. Why am I shooting this video? Why am I playing guitar? Because I like it. Not because I am good at it, but I like it. So I do it, right? You should do your own stuff because you like it. I guess this is the end of the video, guys. But before I show you what I just wrote, following my own tips, I want to thank you that you're watching this video. And if you had fun, leave a like and subscribe. Leave a comment if it was helpful or have any other tips for a beginner who just write his or her own first solos. It was a pleasure, guys. See ya.